Hi guys, are you someone with chapped and dry lips? Then you have clicked on the right video to know how to get rid of them. Now, I am going to be showing you by the end of the video, you will know how to get beautiful and plumpy lips. So the first step is going to be clean your lips with micellar water. You guys can have a look at my lips, how chapped and dry they are right now. And now I am going to apply some steam on the skin. Now what this is going to do is it will help in loosening up any kind of dead skin cells you have on your lips, and this is the dead skin which makes your lip look chapped and dry, and especially in the winters. And keep applying the heat, and after that take some scrub and start scrubbing your lips with a very light hand. Even if you do not have a scrub at home, you can easily make one with some sugar and honey, and because it's winters you can add a little bit of olive oil and you're good to go. Now guys, I want to introduce you all to this wow onion black seed hair range, which consists of an oil, a shampoo and conditioner. It doesn't have any parabens, mineral oil, silicone and sulfate, so it is going to be totally healthy for your scalp and for your hair. And the first step is going to be applying oil, and these products are formulated with plant-based ingredients. After that, just take a little bit of oil and apply it all over your scalp. It has olive, castor, coconut, almond and black seed onion oil. Now thoroughly massage it into your hair and leave this in your hair for good 1 to 2 hours. You can leave it overnight if you feel like, but I like to leave it for 1 to 2 hours. It smells amazing, guys. After that, I am going to be shampooing my hair. Now this hair range helps in combating hair loss. It helps in providing nourishment to your hair and especially work on preventing the thin hair. And it is formulated with all the plant-based ingredients. There are no harmful additives like parabens, sulfate, silicone or mineral oil. After that, I am thoroughly going to wash my hair with this shampoo, and now I will be moving on to using the conditioner. Now with the conditioner, guys, you do not need to apply it all over your hair. You just need to apply it on 2/3 length of your hair. And here I am going to take little and apply it in my wet hair. 2 to 3 minutes are going to be enough to seal down those cuticles, and it also helps in hydrating and moisturizing the hair, which thereby helps in giving very healthy, beautiful and shiny appearance to your hair. And guys, once I wait for 2 to 3 minutes, I am ready to remove the conditioner out of my hair. And it is very important to keep your hair healthy that you drink lots of water, you drink green juices and vegetables, because it helps in promoting the hair growth. If your nutrient requirement is fulfilled, your body is going to be super healthy as well, and hence it has the same effect on your hair. Now as you guys can have a look at my hair, how beautiful they look. There is a shine to my hair, and I usually do not apply any kind of heat in order to keep them healthy. Next up, if you have pigmented lips, just apply a brightening serum, and once it gets absorbed in your skin, after that you can follow it up with a good tint. I like to apply tint because it helps in giving very flush red look. And even if you want, you can go for a tinted lip balm, and make sure for the entire winters you apply a lip balm to keep your lips moisturized and hydrated so they do not become chapped. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.